to our YouTube channel Ispo42. Get ready guys for an epic journey of entertainment, laughter and knowledge. Are you ready? Let's start! How did it all come to this? I never imagined that loving someone would hurt so much. I thought if my heart is true, if my intentions are pure, that's all that matters. Boo Boo, I love you more than my own life. From the first time we met, your smile gave me hope. When you laughed, I forgot all my pain. When you held my hand, I felt the whole world was mine. But today your father shattered everything. His words, his eyes, they didn't see my love, only my empty pockets. Am I really so worthless? Is my love so cheap because I don't have money? I never wanted anything fancy, Boo Boo. I only wanted us. I dreamed of simple morning with you, making tea together, walking hand in hand under the sky, sharing laughter, sharing life. But your father, he only sees the expensive car, the big houses, the bank balance. He doesn't see my heart. He doesn't see how much I love you. Boo Boo, how can I fight this world? How can I fight your father's pride? I don't have money, but I have dreams. I have you in my every breath. I have love in every heartbeat. Isn't that enough? I saw your eyes, Boo Boo. You didn't say anything, but your tears said everything. You are trapped too, between your father's expectations and our love. I know you love me, but I also know you are scared to fight for us. And I feel so helpless. But I promise you, Boo Boo, I will never give up. I will work harder. I will build a life that even your father cannot reject. I will turn my pain into my power. One day he will not see my poverty. He will see my success. One day I will come back to take your hand with pride. But today I cry. Today my heart is broken because loving you is the most beautiful and the most painful thing in my life. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more. Bye bye.